Welcome once again. I'm Dr. Maharajan with you. Very happy to share the knowledge with you. We have been discussing about artificial intelligence and how it is applied in logistics supply chains. Fine. So it's a wonderful topic, a wonderful knowledge how this is used. We are leveraging the power of the artificial intelligence. The things which were not possible in the previous days, not possible still now, we are able to do them because of the artificial intelligence. Okay. This is our something like our obedient servant. If we are correct masters, okay, this is actually like a servant. Artificial takes orders and does it. So we should be able to give the correct orders and correctly we should use it. That's very important. Okay, now we are talking about big things. Fine. What we have studied so far, we reviewed the role of data analytics and machine learning, artificial intelligence in logistic operations. Fine. And we introduced what is how responsive supply chains. So this real life examples we are given, and we have seen something. We will see something big today. I think you are able to guess the topic. Okay, the keyword is. So we have here. Look at the pictures. We have inventory. We have transportation networks, inventory operations, transport networks, and something like data-driven insights. I already told you leveraging big data to enhance supply chain visibility. I think I am repeatedly using the word big so that you might have guessed it what is the next topic. Fine, of course. It is introduction to big data concepts. And what's big data anyway? How big it is? Actually, there is no exact measure of what is big data, but data which is so that much volume which cannot be analyzed using the conventional means, conventional methods, that we call big data. Okay, nowadays we are generating so much of data every second, every minute we are generating. Even now, right now, the process of making this video and sharing with you, this is actually process of we are generating data. Data means, don't think data means only numbers, some tabulations, some Excel tabulation or SPSS. Even this video, this is again a data. Okay, so data is generated, so much data is generated. When you send a WhatsApp message, when you put a like in your Facebook or something, everything is data. We are generating that much data nowadays. It's mind-boggling how much data we are generating. Okay, so there is something like 5 V's, 3 V's, we call it. Okay, volume, velocity, and variety. So volume means huge amounts of data that can be structured, that can be unstructured. Okay, so structured data already we are able to find it. In fact, if you look at a big way, even unstructured data is structured in some way which we are yet to understand actually. As far as now we are concerned, it's unstructured. Okay, so which we can understand a structure in it, we call it structured data. Unstructured data, we have to apply our artificial intelligence to get some structure so that we can make some meaningful insights. So the sources are also so many nowadays. Okay, just look at your phones. How many apps you have? So many data we generate. Same way, that means is the volume. Next, coming to the velocity, the speed at which the data is generated. You can check for yourself in Google how much data is generated each second in the world. Okay. It's so much. Same way, variety. I told you already, it is not just text or something. Even the video and right now what we are doing, this is data actually. Images, what we call multimedia, no? Very different types of medias. So I think you understood what is big data. Clear? Now, how this big data is applied in logistics and supply chain. Okay. That's our core focus here. We can use big data for demand forecasting. So much data is available in the online world now. Even the customer reviews in Facebook and others, even customer reviews in e-commerce sites, everything is data. So we can predict customer demand patterns and optimize inventory levels. And route optimization we already know. Enhance the transportation efficiently and effectively. Fine. Asset tracking. Nowadays, where even we track our buses and others using GPS. We track our own movements. So we can monitor the location, condition of vehicles, equipments, everything using a big data. Then risk mitigation. Mitigation means reducing the risk. So identify and manage potential supply chain disruptions. Suppose we are stuck somewhere, our vehicle is stuck somewhere, the flights are delayed. Everything we can come to know using, we can analyze using big data. Clear? Now big data applications, again we are continuing with that one. Now how to leverage big data in improved decision making. See, we need to collect the right kind of data, including from various sources, sensors, ERP, I think enterprise resource planning and social media. And we have to integrate this. It's not just collecting, we have to integrate, and we have to make a meaningful insights into it. So that's again somewhat a difficult task, but it is challenging. It's not difficult, it's challenging actually. And we have to make some predictive modeling so that we understand the data in a better way. Fine. We have to leverage this one. Then continuing, so in real life cases, how do we do? A trucking company, how using GPS and other things, predictive maintenance, we can track our vehicles, and we can, in case of warehouse management, I think you must be knowing what is RFID, radio frequency identification. Small devices which are attached to the inventory so that we can track them. Okay, IoT. We all know what is Internet of Things. Then customer service, we can give better service to our customers using the big data concepts. Clear? Now again, uh, how we can use the importance of logistics. Okay, transportation we already know, warehousing and information systems. See, this information is crucial in all these things. We all must be thinking only the goods are traveling. No, the money is goods are exchanged. Of course, the money is exchanged, but information is the central thing of all these things. That is through which information only all this logistics and other things are happening actually. First, the information is flows. Information flows in both directions. So test your knowledge. What are the three V's of big data? How can big data improve route optimization? Okay, and what is the role of logistics in leveraging big data? Okay. You can find your answers, of course, volume, velocity, and variety. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, learned a lot today. I am also really enjoying in sharing knowledge with you. So these are the fine takeaways summary. So we have seen what are the big data concepts, the 3Bs, and how big data is applied and to improve the logistic infrastructure. Look for more videos. You are on a wonderful knowledge sharing session with Dr. Maharajan. Be with me. Continue to watch my videos. Thank you.